Project Share originally began as solely a food bank, and then the board and staff realized years ago in the 80s that people who didn't have enough to eat didn't have enough money for prescriptions or wouldn't have transportation to medical appointments, so we became kind of a multi-service agency for low-income residents of Niagara Falls.
But Project Share basically wanted to have an improved strategic plan, and they wanted to engage their employees in the process. So part of our team, what we did was we met and developed some sessions for the employees and the volunteers to engage them and energize them and to get their feedback as to the strategic plan, so the mission and the vision, what Project Share stands for, and all the good work that they do.
So we had 2 staff sessions and 1 volunteer session where we gathered all of the information that would pertain to things like the mission, vision, and values, as well as key objectives and strategic directions that they would like to see come out of the plan.
Well, when Project Share came to visit us at Leadership Niagara, they came to us kind of with a need. They'd started along the road for developing a strategic plan, but they hadn't quite accomplished the goal entirely. So what they kind of said was, we've started the process, but we need someone to kind of complete that process. So that's where what attracted us to it is we said we want to be the ones to complete that plan for you.
I think they're a fairly outstanding organization in that whoever walks through the door, they help as best they can with whatever resources they can pull together. So I think the purpose of our strategic plan was just to give them an exact direction for the future, what they're going to focus on, what other organizations they can kind of pull on or refer to when people need it.
I think that one of the things that we did have an opportunity to do was to see behind the scenes how a not-for-profit agency worked and to see how we were able to address those needs with the various skills that we had and we were able to bring to the project.
The opportunity to give back to the community was something you can't get just from your own organization. I've been involved in other leadership activities, but this gave us the opportunity to take our leadership skills, learn leadership skills and apply them in a community setting and give us that better understanding of what community in Niagara is all about.
All of these individual leaders across Niagara now really have a common purpose that Leadership Niagara has opened our eyes to, and that is our role in the community. While we are each leaders within our own organization, Leadership Niagara really puts our minds towards what can we do in the community and use our leadership ability to help Niagara as a whole.